Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have iMovie open and a project ready. Now add a title. Click Titles, pick a style, then drag it above your video or double-click to insert. Once the title clip is on the timeline, select it so the viewer and the text controls appear at the top right. Make sure the text field is active by clicking the sample text in the preview. This step exposes the editable text box and prepares iMovie to accept color and font changes, so you can work precisely. With the title clip selected, click the sample text in the preview to enable editing. Next, open the Fonts menu in the top of the viewer to set weight, size, and alignment. Adjust these first so color choices read correctly. Then click the color square to open the color picker. You can use presets, the spectrum, or the eyedropper to match a frame color. Once done, watch how contrast changes against your footage. Make adjustments until the text stays readable in motion. After changing color, play your project to ensure the text is legible throughout, light on dark scenes and vice versa. If timing needs fixing, stretch the title clip or duplicate it with Command+C and Command+V to cover multiple shots. When satisfied, export or share your movie. If the color still loses contrast, especially on busy footage, add a semi-transparent background box behind the text or slightly darken the clip beneath. This quick fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.